When a pipe bursts, the first few minutes are critical for minimizing water damage to your property. Seeing water gushing from the wall or ceiling can be overwhelming, but taking immediate, calculated steps will protect your home's structure and your personal belongings from long-term harm. The most important action you can take is to locate and close the main water shutoff valve immediately. This stops the flow of water into the entire house. These valves are typically found in the garage, a basement, or outside near the water meter at the front of the property. Safety must be your primary concern. If water is leaking near electrical outlets, light fixtures, or appliances, turn off the power to those specific zones at the main circuit breaker. Never touch electrical equipment or switches while standing in water or if you are damp. After the main valve is closed, you must drain the remaining water still sitting in the lines. Turn on all cold water faucets throughout the home. This relieves the built-up pressure and empties the pipes, preventing any further water from reaching the burst section. For hot water lines, turn off the water heater and open all the hot water taps. Draining the system in this manner helps stop the leakage faster and ensures the water heater is not damaged by running while it is potentially empty or underpressurized. Once the water flow has been contained, identify the exact location of the break if possible. This information is invaluable for the repair process and helps determine whether a single section of pipe failed due to a localized issue or if there is a systemic problem. Begin moving furniture, rugs, and valuables away from the moisture as quickly as possible. Removing these items to a dry, well-ventilated space prevents permanent staining, wood rot, and the early onset of mold growth, which can begin within 24 hours. Before starting the cleanup process, take detailed photographs and videos of the burst pipe and all affected areas. This documentation is essential for insurance claims and provides an accurate record of the incident for your personal home maintenance files. Use towels, buckets, or a wet-dry vacuum to soak up as much standing water as possible. Reducing the moisture level in the air and on surfaces quickly is the most effective way to prevent structural issues and protect your subflooring from warping. Burst pipes are often caused by sudden pressure surges, severe internal corrosion, or a failure in a joint. Understanding the underlying cause is important for ensuring that once the repair is made, the rest of the plumbing system is reinforced against similar failures. In a plumbing emergency, you need a team that responds fast with professional solutions. Black Mountain Plumbing offers expert emergency repair services throughout the San Diego area. We are here to stop the damage and restore your home's safety. Contact us immediately for reliable assistance.